In this video, I'm going to show you how to use AirDNA to check demand. For example, we're looking at the United States in a short-term rental market. You can come here and also choose some sub-markets as well, specific towns and cities. For example, let's go ahead and we have Carolina here. We have Denver. Let's do Denver. Okay. As you can see, the market score seems to be 100. So the submarket is performing at a score of 100, and they have 5 metrics for this: investability, rental demand, and revenue growth, seasonality, and regulation. So the rental demand here is quite high, is about 74. Okay. Now, if I come here, let's see their annual revenue. It has increased by over 31%. Occupancy rate has been increasing. Average daily rate has also been increasing. RevPAR also increasing. A lot of things have been increasing in this market. As you can see, the number of total active listings has also increased by over 20%. That is a lot. Rental growth has increased here, as you can see. And if I scroll down, percentage of the month that was occupied, quite stable. So you can see it's not that seasonal. Okay, it is pretty stable compared to other markets. And here you can see how long on average guests decided to stay at this location, right? Now, if I scroll all the way up, the most important thing you want to look at is basically this: the rental demand score. Okay. Now, let's go ahead and look at some STR listings. Let's see how well some properties are doing, right? But this is the main thing you want to look at. So if I come to some STR listings, let's see how some homes are doing. This home right here, as you can see, only has 7 reviews, 4.5 stars. Seems to be a newer property, but look at this. It is already doing revenues almost at par with its potential. Okay, and honestly, that is quite a high daily rate compared to others. For example, this one is much cheaper and has a higher occupancy as well. But this one is actually doing really good. So if I come here, these properties as well, these are more established properties though. And as you can see, this one is also a new property, but it is doing at par with its potential. And you can see many such examples. So this is definitely a high demand market, as you can see, because most of the properties that are listed are actually performing well. Now, of course, this one was done according to revenue. So if I go ahead and change it to either review count or, occupancy, and switch to that, and as you can see, this one has 100% occupancy. It is quite a cheap daily rate compared to what it's supposed to be. But as you can see, most of the properties are all performing really, really well. This one is still quite new, and they're only charging a little bit. So of course, the revenue will not be as high as its potential. They need to charge more here. But otherwise, this is a solid market. As you can see, everything is on an uptrend. And it's really that easy and simple.